this latest...
Wrong. You've gone in a bus stop, you dickhead. Cyclists got it easy, haven't they? If there's a red light, they just jump on the path. I might start doing that in my car. Just jump on the path, innit? F it. Fuck the traffic lights, just jump on the path, everything's f***ing good again. Bunch of dickheads. You had better be gone by the time I get there, because I'm going to get upset otherwise. So yeah, just stick around, that's absolutely fine. Prick. I love thinking of piss out of Audi drivers, it's so much fun. It used to be BMWs, but now I've started picking on Audis. They're much better to pick, like, take piss out of. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. What's this? Oh dear. Anyway, thank you. Driving with Benji is always fun. Oh, that was close. That was very, very close. You are quite a brave man on your bike. Oh, the red light. Come on, it's not hard. Stay in one lane. Make your mind up. Which one do you want? You can't have both of them. You have to have one or the other. It still can't quite decide which one it wants. Oh, you're so special today. So special. Very, very, very special. Fuck no. That is not a responsible parking, is it? Nay, 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 it's not. Thank you very much, you prick. Oh, that was a bit risky, but on a corner as well.
And we don't want the people of the West Country to be trapped in their work.
Alright, you've done that, that's absolutely fine. Now, are you going to speed up? Nay, you're not. I'm going to have to slow down for you, aren't I? For f***'s sake, man. Yeah, I know as a learner, I knew that, but there's somebody in the car with them, helping them to drive. They should have said, oh no, don't pull out there, you're not going to have time to speed up. So yeah, 50-50, blame the learner and blame whoever is trying to teach his poor soul. It's not a parking space for a reason, you special, special person. He's not thinking about overtaking the van and the traffic and the tractor, is he? Surely not. Surely not. Let's keep an eye, because this should be interesting if he does decide to overtake 10 cars. Yeah, I'm tailgating a BMW, by the way, as well. He's been a bit of a dick and he's pissed me off, so I'm trying to wind him up a little bit, to be honest. Don't judge me. Probably not the smartest thing, because there's cars coming the other way. Oh yeah, just slow down as well. Oh, bless you. I know, it's a BMW, they're pricks, aren't they? Never mind. Oh, if only a car was coming around that corner, that could have ended badly. Speed it! Look at his number plate on the actual truck and then compare it to the number plate on the trailer. The reason why cyclists shouldn't drive their stupid little things on the path. Look at him. You villain.
Getting home care from British Gas before winter catches you out. From only £12 a month, that's less than
oh my god, cyclists, they're funny, aren't they?
Every year.
Look, we got another one. He got a dedicated cycle lane just to the edge of the road. He's even painted a different colour for him, but still rides on the path. Have a good look. Have a good look. Oh no, he's on it now. Well done. Way. Good one, man. Not bad. Oh, now he's back on the path. Oh, wow.
The latest traffic and travel information whenever you need it.
What is that? That's just not parking, is it? It's just not. Why would you park there? Man, idiot. No. Bless him, the bus can't get through because that van just can't keep in one lane because he's obviously quite special, very, 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 very special, family friendly driver just there. What a prick. It's a little bit close, wasn't it? Just a little bit close when you got an entire road in front of you to do that. Not bad. And then it goes in that lane anyway, you should have just stayed there. You great fool. Oh, look at that cute little thing. It's so small and tiny and it's like a little toy truck. Oh, bless him, it's a little baby truck. It looks so cute. Oh. Well, at least it's not parked on the double yellows. Yeah, that was a red light. Yeah, not bad. Dirty bitch. Go on, red light. Yeah, beautiful, man. Lovely. Pull him over for speeding. Go on, get him. Perfect example of an bellet just there. What's it doing? There's nothing in front of it. Go. Go forward. I don't understand people that do that. That's a very strange, very, very strange manoeuvre. But they all want to get in. Why the f*** didn't you just drive in the f*** lane, you silly little f***? What is wrong with you? That's the wrong lane for a start. You should have done that earlier. You just pushed in, you animal. What a dickhead. I'm letting you go, for fuck's sake, man. I hate letting people go. I hate letting people go. Call me selfish and nasty. But when I let people go, when I give them a chance, they don't go. They just sit there contemplating what to do with their life. Jesus Christ. Help me, Lord.